Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying down parallel vertical guides about 1/3 of the page apart. These set the S's spine. Next, draw the top and bottom smooth arcs that connect those guides, forming the S silhouette. Once done, add a centerline to show the face of the letter and establish vanishing direction. This gives you immediate control over proportion and flow, so you can build consistent thickness and perspective in the following steps. Now you convert the flat S into volume by offsetting its outer edge inward or outward by a consistent width. This becomes the stroke thickness. Then draw the extruded faces by connecting corresponding points along the front and back contours with smooth curved lines, keeping perspective in mind. Once the main depth is set, carve inner cutouts and refine junctions where curves meet. These inner contours determine how convincing the 3D effect reads under light and shadow. Finish by choosing a light source and applying gradients, darkest tones on core shadows, mid-tones on curved faces, and sharp highlights on edges facing the light. Add a soft cast shadow under the S to anchor it to a surface and reinforce depth. For final polish, darken inner creases and erase construction guides. If proportions look warped, realign key anchor points to your vanishing direction. That quick fix corrects most perspective and thickness mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.